Most American breakfasts look healthy, but secretly spike blood sugar. That's why hunger hits again by 10 a.m. Toast, cereal, juice, flavored coffee, no protein, no fiber. It sets you up for cravings all day. These American-style breakfasts are quick, filling, and fat loss friendly. No extreme dieting. Eggs with sautéed veggies and one slice of whole grain toast. Classic. High protein. Long-lasting energy. Greek yogurt, berries, chia seeds. Protein plus fiber equals fewer cravings. Avocado toast isn't bad. Skipping protein is. Add eggs or cottage cheese, and it becomes weight loss friendly. Oat or protein pancakes with nut butter. Skip the syrup. Comfort food without the crash. Liquid calories and sugary pastries in the morning. They trigger hunger all day. If breakfast has 20 to 30 grams protein, fat loss becomes easier automatically. If you want American meals that support weight loss, thumbs up like this video, bell subscribe to flip fit yourself, and comment breakfast. I'll share a full weekly breakfast plan.